Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to build dashboards in Airtable for reporting in 2025. Dashboards help you visualize data, track progress, and share insights with your team. Using Airtable's Interface Designer, you can make interactive dashboards easily without coding. Start by opening your Airtable base. In the top left corner, click on Interfaces, then choose Start from Scratch or Start with AI. If you use the AI option, describe what you want, like create a sales dashboard showing total revenue and tasks by status. Airtable will generate one for you. If you prefer to build manually, choose a layout such as grid, board, or dashboard. Then add elements like charts, record lists, summaries, and text. Each one can pull live data from your tables, making the dashboard dynamic and instantly updating as your base changes. For example, add a bar chart to display monthly sales, a pie chart for category breakdowns, and a summary card showing totals. You can drag, resize, and organize each element to design a clear layout that fits your reporting style and project needs. Once your dashboard looks ready, click Publish or Share to give access to your teammates. They can view updates in real time and use the dashboard for meetings or performance tracking. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.